Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to draw a bird. A what? Yeah, a bird. So it's gonna be fast too, like the chick one. So I'll got my paper ready. You can see it there. And yeah, the name is gonna be bird. Bird. Okay. So first, you're gonna do something like this, like that. Do right here. You connect it like that. Okay. Then you're gonna make the feet. Do, do, do. They look like hands. You're gonna do the beak like that. Make one big eye over here and one little circle right here. And color in the other. Like that. Then you're just gonna add the wing. And that's how you draw a bird. An easy, pretty bird. And you can add the clouds, the sun, and some leaves and the grass. So yeah, that's how you draw a bird. And that's the end of the video. So bye and panda.